Do you know what the first flower to ever be grown in space was? Hi guys, this week's arrangement is called Life on Mars because of its reddy pink and earthy tones and the slightly extraterrestrial gladioli. And the absolute star of this week's flower show, and as sunburned as the contestants on Love Island, is this beautiful Hypericum, which has been grown for us in Lincolnshire by Mr. Robinson. Its other name, rather grossly, is St. John's wort, so called because apparently it blooms around the time of St. John the Baptist's birthday, and it also represents and symbolises superstition. Take that to your next dinner party. Let's get arranging, but first of all, don't forget your starting steps. So we're going to start with our beautiful roses arranged evenly around the edge of the vase. Now we're going to face our lilies opposite each other. And then we're going to do the same with our alstroemeria, creating a square with our lilies. What we're trying to do is create a supportive stem grid in the middle of the vase for our taller flowers in the middle to stand up in. Using our stem grid, we're going to create an even triangle with our gladioli a little more centrally, and then we're going to fill out the centre with our bushy solidago. Dot your lovely Hypericum on either side of your solidago, and finish with your wacky eucalyptus stems in the centre, allowing it to fall out in any direction. And here we have it, a beautiful Martian space rover of an arrangement. I hope you love it. Now, a quick space-related question for you. Do you know what the first flower to ever be grown in space was? It was an orange zinnia grown aboard the ISS in 2016. Now I'm going to show you what to do with last week's arrangement, which is sitting here looking fully in bloom. And one suggestion I have is to combine it with your fresh delivery of flowers into the Freddy's Whopper vase. All you need to do is trim an inch off the end of all your stems and make sure to remove some of the lower flowers from the gladioli, allowing the top flowers to open. Just arrange with the shorter flowers around the edge and the taller stems in the middle. Then you can even make a few little bud vases using some of the trimmings. And there we have it, one absolute mega bunch and a few dainty little bud vases. Thanks for watching, see you next time.